Good evening, friends. Welcome to our show, Conversation with Shashank. What a beautiful Friday, and looking forward for this happy weekend. Our guest for today is Mrs. Mohita Singh. Hooray! Thank you,
Hooray!
Mohita.
Hi, Shashank. It's so
Hi.
nice to see you. Friday evening.
Thank Friday evening. So let us wait, Mohita. People are joining in. We just started. Let people come in. सो आई फील कि पहला एक डेढ़ मिनट 2 मिनट तो लोगों को सेटल करने में लग जाता है.
Like it is
It's
Friday
always
evening.
like it is
Yes.
always like
Thank
that.
you so much for inviting me in, Shashank.
Thank you so much for coming in. It's my pleasure.
And yeah, we both are matching.
I know. So this is blue, which is good.
Only you're not wearing pearls.
I don't want to.
No. Yeah.
So let us wait for people to join in. So guys, whosoever is in, please type your name and say hi to Mohita. Hi Mohita. And give a small hi to me as well. Okay, guys, please wave your hi. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. Hello. Good evening.
How many languages do you know, Shashank?
Just, I mean,
You're a
अब
well
दिखाने
traveled
के I tried to learn Spanish a little, पर कर नहीं पाया. 2-3 वर्ड आते हैं बस. तो वो
person.
भी अच्छे से नहीं.
Okay.
Hi Saloni. Hi Aniket. Hi Sujesh. Hi Rahul. So people are coming in, Moita.
Great, great.
So
Hello,
let them come
everyone.
in. Yes. So guys, welcome to our show. बस आप अपना नाम लिख दीजिए, हाय कर दीजिए हमें, मोहिता को, मेरे को, and we are so happy and excited to see you. It's gonna be a powerful session, and trust me, guys, Mohita is the best I know.
Thank
Hi Manju, hi Nisha. Lot of people coming in.
you. Nice.
Okay, so I think we'll give another 30 seconds and then we'll start. Mohita,
Yeah, you can give another. How do you count seconds?
it's there as a timer. Super.
Do you know
So
how
there are
long it
some.
takes to say 1 second?
No.
Chimpanzee.
Oh.
So if you say one chimpanzee, two chimpanzee, that's 1 second, 2 seconds.
Just 1 second. Wow, that's so nice.
तो जब तुम पुशअप करते हो ना
Hmm.
तो मन करता होगा जल्दी से 1 से लेके 30 तक 60 तक पहुंच जाओ.
फटाफट कर लो.
हाँ, try doing it with chimpanzees.
Okay. Hi Shweta. Hi Richa. कोविड एरा में. Okay. वो बोल रही है कि कोविड एरा में it's a very special topic you have chosen.
Okay.
So I think Mohita we should start. People will come in and it's already 3 minutes past 9:30.
Yeah, sure.
So welcome to our show, guys. Good evening again. Welcome to our show, Conversation with Shashank. I'm so excited to have Mohita with us. Hooray! Again,
Great.
hooray!
Thank you.
Thank you,
And thank you
Mohita.
again. Thank you
So let
again.
me let me introduce Mohita to all of our audience, please. So Mohita is a UNESCO certified movement facilitator and holds an international license from UNESCO France and CMTI India. Good. And topic for our discussion today is how poor body postures impact immunity and emotional stress. So Mohita, would you like to tell something about yourself first?
Uh, so one, I am a movement facilitator. And when we say movement, we don't talk about the revolutionary movement. We talk about the movement of the body and the movement of the mind. So that is one thing. I am the founder of Movement Matters. I have a studio in Noida, and a good, very interestingly known to Shashank. I think we'll let my introduction unfold, and let's get
Okay.
on with what people have really joined us for.
Wonderful, wonderful. That'll be great. Thank you so much. Just to, I mean, add something which I would like to. So Mohita has set up her first somatic and expressive movements therapist studio. And trust me, guys, I do not know anybody in this field. And The work she's doing is just amazing. So you should always go and visit her studio in Noida. It's very close by, and she can help you become an ageless personality. And I'm very sure we are all very excited for this. So
I
okay,
want to share, Shashank, here briefly what
yeah,
ageless means. Ageless is frequently considered a cosmetic aspect. When we speak
okay,
of agelessness in somatics or movement, we talk about how we are able to still use our bodies the way we were using it as we were children. That is what we call agelessness here.
oh, that's good. I mean, this
मतलब
is so
wrinkles
nice.
आ जाएंगे, पर आप wrinkles आ सकते हैं, but you will still be as active. You won't be that tired, and your mind and your body would still be as agile.
So पता है आने से पहले ना मुझे इतना कॉन्शियस लोगों लग रहा था कि अरे यार मोहिता की एनर्जी यहाँ होती है, मैं को अपनी एनर्जी को यहाँ लेके आना पड़ेगा. She is already there. I have to bring myself there.
Yeah, brilliant energy, brilliant energy.
Thank you so much. So thank you guys. So let me start with our conversation, and I will shoot up questions, Mohita, to you, and then we'll
Hmm.
do a question answer round, and we'll take our audience questions in the end. So you're free to share your screen or maybe do some exercises, whatever you like. And if you
Okay.
want me to answer questions first, you can always call it out, and we will take some questions in the middle as well. Yeah,
Yeah, we can do that also. Yeah, we can do that.
wonderful,
Then we know what
wonderful.
everyone has joined us for.
Yes, yes. So my first question to you, Mohita, is excited? Should I go in? Oh yeah. So what is the relationship between a body posture and emotions?
What is the relationship between body posture and emotions? अच्छा,
Yeah.
so now we are movement facilitators. So हम खेले बिना कोई काम करते नहीं.
Okay.
तो एक गेम खेलना पड़ेगा. You'll have to play a game with me to
Oh,
answer this question.
पहले question में.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Game on.
if you and I were playing dumb charades, if you and I were playing dumb charades, okay, and you had to ask me about the movie Bahubali,
Okay.
how would you depict that?
Bahubali. So it will
Hmm.
be
And
like
and this is the answer to your. This is the answer to yeah. Okay. To his questions. Okay.
strong.
Okay.
I mean
Okay.
happy, happy,
Hmm. So you're not
masculine.
supposed to speak. You're not
Oh,
supposed to
yeah,
speak. You have to
yeah,
just
yeah,
to be
yeah. Okay.
active. What are you
Okay.
doing?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Like that. एक हाथ से दोनों हाथ से.
So not.
All right. Great. And if you were to show Devdas to me, how would you do that?
Oh, Devdas.
Green free chale. Okay. All right, come back. Thank you. So two things happened. Now let's answer your questions. Two things happened. When I asked you Bahubali, your body sort of expanded, became bigger, you did this.
Yes.
So the body was suddenly occupying more space. You
Correct.
work in interiors, right? It was
Right.
it was occupying more space. And when we said Devdas, you became smaller. Did you
Yeah.
not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
ये जो expansion और जो curling up of the body हुआ है ना, why did that happen? Okay, and something changed in your posture, did it not?
Yes. It is. So
Yeah,
because when I go inside, तो change हो गया.
change हो गया. Now, when you said Bahubali, so let's see what brought this change in so-called posture. When you said Bahubali, when you were thinking Bahubali, what words came into your mind?
So as I said, strong, masculine, happy, energetic,
Yeah,
fighting, a
strong,
lot of things.
masculine. So these are associated with the feeling
Yes. 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 Yes.
of being strong,
Being
of
strong.
being
Being strong.
masculine,
Yeah.
right? Of being strong, wider. So, and when we said Devdas,
It is
words and
sad.
feelings.
Sad.
Hmm.
Sad. सबसे पहले तो sad. Feel like
Hmm.
crying. That
Hmm.
is.
So apparently आपके मन में एक फीलिंग आया, उस फीलिंग से कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंगली एक आपकी बॉडी ने मूवमेंट किया,
Okay.
राइट? पॉस्चर किया, जिसको आप पॉस्चर कहते हैं, राइट?
Correct.
So whenever you understand this, there is a direct connection between the way we feel and the way we are holding our bodies. ये जो बॉडी का छोटा होना और जो बड़ा होना था ना, this is a
Okay.
very very basic and a primitive response of the human brain. When we
Okay.
are sad, we are always like this.
Correct.
When we are happy, we are expanded.
Yeah.
इसीलिए शशांक ये टर्म्स भी हैं. I wanted to curl up and die.
Oh, okay.
Fetal position. When you're in fear, you're in fetal position, right?
Right.
What do you say? मेरी छाती खुशी से फूल गई.
Correct.
I became bigger and stronger.
Bigger.
So
Yeah.
you're feeling, when you're feeling something, your mind says something and your body listens to it. And it correspondingly changes form or posture.
Correct.
ये माइंड और बॉडी में बड़ी अच्छी दोस्ती है शशांक.
Oh, अच्छा ये ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है, हमें सोचना भी नहीं पड़ता. It happens like that, right?
It happens. Now अगर माइंड से बॉडी कनेक्टेड है तो बॉडी के पोस्चर से दे आर गुड फ्रेंड्स, दे आर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर.
Yeah.
पोस्चर से भी तो माइंड कनेक्टेड होगा.
Connected होगा. Correct.
जब हम कंप्यूटर पे पूरे दिन ऐसे बैठते हैं, this is a signal from the time you've been in the evolutionary path. This is a signal to the human brain there is something wrong. You're sad, right? इसके पीछे बहुत सारी biology भी है. But for now, just for beginning to the audience, always understand that this is a place where our brain starts perceiving sadness. This is happiness.
Okay.
So there is a direct relation. And maybe थोड़ा हम आगे जाके और I can explain the
We can do that all. Yeah. That was perfectly answered, Mohita, I feel. So let's go for the second question. We say, how can we maintain the right body posture throughout our day?
How can you maintain the right body posture throughout the day? ये मैं बड़े प्यारा सा एक सवाल है. जब आप छोटे थे, पैदा हुए थे 3 या 4 साल के, आप कैसे बैठते थे? आपको किसी ने बताया कि ऐसे बैठो? नहीं ना. ठीक है. वो पता है क्यों था? क्योंकि जब आप पैदा हुए थे आपके अंदर ये इंटेलिजेंस थी कि मेरी बॉडी में एक पार्ट है जिसका नाम है सिटिंग बोन, सिट बोन.
Okay.
Right? And we used to use those sitting bones to sit. But जैसे जैसे हम बड़े हुए, हम लोग सोफों पे बैठने लगे, हम कार की सीट पे बैठने लगे, हम स्लाउच करने लगे. Instead of sitting bones, we sit on our tailbone.
Oh, okay.
Now the problem with this is, what is the problem with this? मतलब problem ही क्या है ना? If I'm sitting on one bone or the other.
Maybe
Right?
that's not the right bone to sit on, basically.
So that is like this tinier bone, the sit bone, and the tailbone, and the sit bone is like a huge, strong bone.
Oh, okay.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Yeah.
Right. Let me just try and show you that.
Okay.
इसमें screen
You
share
want to share your screen?
Yeah. I want to share.
So guys, Mohita is gonna share her screen, and I'm sure something exciting is coming up. Sit tight.
All right.
Okay.
Can you see it? No.
No.
All right. Let's see. I think you can see it now.
I
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can. Let me just add it.
Left side में क्या है? देखो.
Yes.
Left side में क्या है?
देखो, बढ़िया आ गया.
Can you see? There's a baby sitting, and how nicely he's sitting.
Right.
Right. और जब हम बड़े होने लग जाते हैं, जब हम बड़े होते हैं, तो yeah. So you know what? This is a very interesting. This is a very interesting part that we use in our sessions, and we actually explain कि हम जब born होते हैं, हम कितने highly functional होते हैं. ये हमारी movement patterns होते हैं. But we won't go there yet. Let's stay to the sit bones. Can you see ये sit bone कितनी छोटी है?
Yeah, I can see.
Tailbone. और ये sitting bone है आपकी, कितनी बड़ी है?
कितनी बड़ी है? Correct.
आप किस पे लोड डालना चाहेंगे? Would you rather use the tailbone, which is a part of your spine, to sit, or would you rather use a sitting bone that was designed by nature for you to use? What would you use?
I will use that bone which is designed by nature, basically.
Yeah. तो पहली चीज तो ये है कि अगर आप दिन में you want to learn to sit better, find your sit bones. I'm going to stop sharing my screen abhi. Yeah.
Okay.
So your question was how can we sit better throughout the day? One is know where sit bones are.
Okay.
Okay. And you want to find out अभी पता करें?
हाँ बिल्कुल. अभी.
Okay. अभी करते हैं. So I'm going to just move the camera a little, and
Okay.
I have a dining chair here. I have a
Okay.
dining chair here, and whoever is in the audience can either sit on a dining chair, or you can sit on the ground, guys, and
Okay.
sit on a firm place. And Shashank, you can also do that. So a very
Yeah,
easy way
yeah,
of
I'm already on the right foot. Yeah.
handling is take your hands. I'm going to turn my chair sideways so you can see. Take your
Okay.
hands, palm,
Okay.
but don't sit in a
Okay.
very soft chair, right? And scoot
Okay.
your palms under your bum.
Okay.
Can you feel your sit bones poking into your fingers?
Yeah.
Can you feel? आगे पीछे ऐसे रॉक कीजिए. You will feel a bone. You frozen, Shashank. Yeah, so if you roll back and forth, you will find those sit bones, and our job is to sit straight on top of them. That is what we have to do. Yeah? You know, I think we've lost Shashank.
No, no, no. I'm here. I'm here.
You're there? All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I thought you lost. So
No,
finding your sit bones is very easy. You put your
yeah.
hands under your bums and you sit and you
Yeah.
feel those pokey bones. You start rocking back and forth
Right.
like a rocking chair. And when you feel that your bones are really putting the maximum load on your fingers, that's where you stop. तो आप यहाँ नहीं होते, आप यहाँ भी नहीं होते. You know, there's not an arch in your back. You're actually directly on top of your sit bones.
Okay.
Yeah? तो
Yeah.
ये वाला जो ब्लॉक है बॉडी का, जैसे जैसे बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स होते हैं, ये वाला ब्लॉक इज स्टेबल, उसके ऊपर ये वाला ब्लॉक आ जाता है, उसके ऊपर शोल्डर्स आते हैं और उसके बाद ईयर आता है.
Okay.
द ट्रिक इज टू कीप योर लेग्स एंड योर फीट फ्लैट ऑन द ग्राउंड.
Okay.
ओके, अगर हम अपने पैर अपनी चेयर को नी हाइट पे रखेंगे, वन ऑफ द वेज टू सिट बेटर थ्रू आउट द डे इज टू गेट अ चेयर विच इज ऑफ योर नी हाइट.
Okay.
Okay, if your chair is of your knee height, your feet will come flat on the ground. So jiski chair, guys, anybody who's watching, make sure your chairs are of your knee height.
Right. Yeah.
Right?
एंड ऑल्सो ये ना मोहिता एर्गोनॉमिक डिजाइन में भी है, मतलब हमने डिजाइन के टाइम पे इसको देखा है. सो इट इज देयर एज अ डिजाइन प्रिंसिपल. मतलब इफ अ डिजाइनर हु इज डिजाइनिंग समबडीज होम और ऑफिस कैन गाइड देम बेटर, तो उससे वो अच्छे से बन जाता है. अदरवाइज अक्सर लोग खराब बना.
हाँ, और एक चीज और आप डिजाइन में देखिएगा कि जो आपकी सीट की लेंथ डेप्थ होती है ना, वो इतनी होनी चाहिए कि आपके घुटनों के आगे थोड़ी सी इतनी सी जगह रहे, घुटनों के पीछे. So your lower back is always supported.
Okay.
And the third very interesting secret is always sit in a manner जिसमें कि आपकी बॉडी अंदर धस नहीं रही हो सोफे में, बेड में. So there are 2-3 things you can easily do to sit better.
Wonderful.
Yeah, and any other question you have? I can
Yes,
go
so
on.
many questions. So guys, I mean, in the audience, I can see a lot of people. So guys, if you are getting what Amrita is trying to explain, so please say yes, we are getting it, or say yes so that we know. And if you have any questions, please post them right here in the comment box, and I'll try to address them ASAP for you. So moving to the next question, Mohita. So can interiors of a office or a work from home office help us maintain the right posture? मतलब will interiors be able to help you in maintaining the right posture?
Absolutely. आपका इंटीरियर आपके लिए डिजाइन किया जाता है. The first principle of good design is function. Am I right?
Yeah.
Function determines. Yeah. You can have something that looks beautiful but completely dysfunctional. It's better it is in a museum, right? But our furniture, our beds are all designed to suit our bodies. So let's start with desks. People work a lot on desks, right?
Yeah.
It's always nice to have your desk जो कि बहुत cramped area में ना हो. जैसे हम घर अगर छोटे होते हैं या जगह कम होती है तो हम आमतौर पे ना कॉर्नर में लगा देते हैं, या क्यूबिकल्स होते हैं ऑफिस में.
Correct.
अब what happens is we don't have enough movement place. तो बॉडी ना स्टिफ होते, ऐसे करके हम लोग काम करते हैं सर.
करेक्ट, वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है.
हाँ. दूसरी चीज होती है जब आप बैठे हैं, अगेन एज आई सेड योर चेयर शुड बी ऑफ योर नी हाइट ऑलवेज. Feet always start using a step stool. Feet always flat on the ground, flat like this.
Okay.
अगर आपके पैर लटक रहे हैं तो आप एक स्टेप स्टूल यूज कर लीजिए। अगर आपकी चेयर आपके लिए बहुत लो है तो उसकी सीट हाइट बढ़ा दीजिए। सीट हाइट बढ़ाने के बहुत आसान तरीके होते हैं। आप पुराना कंबल यूज कर सकते हैं, आप वो पुराने रुई वाले तक गद्दे यूज कर सकते हैं, और यू कैन गेट अ ग्रेट ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइनर फोम गद्दी मेड फॉर योर सेल्फ। बट जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट योर थाइज and your calf are at about 90-degree angle,
Okay.
and your feet are not dangling. Why is this? You should ask this question: why should our feet
Why?
not?
Yes. Why?
Because if your feet are not if your feet are dangling, you will not use your sit bones.
Oh, acha. Okay. So you will automatically go back to your tailbone because of comfort position में पड़ जाते. Oh yeah.
That is one thing. And then of course then there's a very interesting thing I do. I keep changing positions.
Okay.
वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है
हाँ.
तो कभी मैं नीचे बैठ जाती हूँ जापानी स्टाइल। I frequently use a gym ball to sit on in my studio also.
Oh wow.
In
Really?
fact, if
But
you go
everyday
to,
basis पे. Everyday basis
हाँ,
पे you use. Oh wow.
I really enjoy it. So your legs are engaged, you get a great workout, guys. Sitting on a gym
Wow.
ball, you just can't slouch. And now the most important thing, why slouching matters.
Yes. Why it matters? Yeah.
Slouching matters, शशांक, because जब हम slouch करते हैं ना तो हमारा chest अंदर चला जाता है। और ये this is really scientific, guys, so pay attention. So what happens is, I'm going to take the camera down. This part of your body has a muscle called a diaphragm. Anybody who studied biology knows it, right?
Okay.
When we slouch, your diaphragm gets trapped.
Okay.
Okay. When your diaphragm gets trapped, you cannot breathe from the lower end of your lungs.
Oh.
उससे क्या प्रॉब्लम है? सांस तो यहाँ से भी ले सकती हो, यहाँ से ले सकती हो। प्रॉब्लम क्या है? सांस ही तो लेनी है, राइट? शशांक इज थिंकिंग दैट।
तो मुझे लग रहा है सब क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, आप मेरे से अपने आप से पूछ रहे हो।
सारे सवाल मैंने अपने आप से पूछे हैं because I had lost all movement. So I know what it is not to be able to move. Okay. So when you are not breathing from the lower part of the lung, which you were designed to breathe as a baby.
Oh, okay.
So movement intelligence, what we teach is movement intelligence. Movement intelligence is movement as nature meant you to be do. Coming back to slouching. When you slouch, your diaphragm gets trapped. When your diaphragm gets trapped, you don't breathe from the lower end of your lung. When you don't breathe from the lower end of your lung, you breathe from the upper part of your lung.
Upper part of the body, yeah.
What is the problem with that? The problem is that breathing from here activates your stress response.
Okay.
You have two responses in your body. एक होता है rest and digest, जिसमें बॉडी इंप्रूव करती है, आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म बहुत अच्छा होता है, वेट लॉस बहुत जल्दी होगा, फटीग कम होगा उसमें, नींद अच्छी है। दूसरा होता है आपका स्ट्रेस रिस्पॉन्स, फाइट फ्लाइट। एनीबडी विद साइकोलॉजी, एनीबडी हु स्टडीड न्यूरोबायोलॉजी the way we study, anybody knows that. What happens and why does that happen? This is a very important question. Everybody should know.
Okay.
Okay, why does my stress response get triggered from here?
Right. From the upper part of your body. क्यों होता है?
Yeah. क्यों होता है? क्योंकि यहीं पे वो नसें होती हैं स्ट्रेस रिस्पॉन्स की। ओके। तो ब्रेन को सिग्नल भी वही जाएगा।
करेक्ट, वही जाएगा।
तो आपने देखा है शशांक, जब कोई गुस्से में होता है तो उसकी छाती कैसे होती है?
हाँ, मतलब फूल जाती है। करेक्ट।
You are panting and you're breathing from here. Whereas think Ravan, guys. Think Ravan. तो राम मैं तुझे मार डालूंगा। हाँ। Right? He's like heaving. Think Buddha.
Calm.
You're breathing through your diaphragm.
Okay.
You're breathing through your diaphragm, and that makes you calmer. Secretes serotonin, calms you down. So slouching is
no. It's a strict no. Okay, so but मोहिता, इसके साथ ही एक और क्वेश्चन आ जाता है इसके साथ। So when we say जैसे interiors of the office, तो कई बार कई लोग बेड से काम करते हैं, because lot of people work on the bed as well, right? And हम चाहे या ना चाहे बेड पे हम थोड़ा सा तो स्लाउच कर ही लेते हैं, और मे बी मतलब we go into that uncomfortable or comfortable mode, whatever we call it, and then how do we react to it? I'm like, how do we keep that in our conscious?
Okay, so this is something I learned from a very good physiotherapist, and I'm going to share that with you. आपके बेड में 2-3 रूल्स हैं. पहली चीज है आपकी लोअर बैक हमेशा सपोर्टेड रहनी चाहिए. So again, I'm lowering my camera and I'm sitting on a sofa, guys. So I'll just show you what I do, and maybe you
Okay.
can do that. So I have this very old blanket, Raymond
Okay.
ka. Okay, and what you need to do is this: that make sure, first of all, आप make sure your mattress is not too soft. ये कितने
Okay.
mm का होगा?
ये it looks
कितने
38-40 mm लग रहा है मुझे फोन.
Okay, so Shashank says, guys, 40 mm, right? 40 mm is a good density for you. Otherwise, you would sink inside. Sinking
Yeah,
inside, so you'll sit on your tailbone again. So
Yeah.
step number 1, make sure your back is fully supported. पूरे अंदर
Okay.
तक होके बैठो, बेड पे बैठो.
Okay.
ऐसे नहीं बैठेंगे.
अच्छा. Okay.
ठीक है. अगर आपको बहुत ही सॉफ्ट मैट्रेस है, मैट्रेस चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो, टेक अ ब्लैंकेट, कीप इट लाइक दिस.
Okay.
Now this is firmer.
Right.
Now sit on it.
Okay. Okay.
और एक लेग फोल्ड कर लेना is a good advice.
Okay.
So this puts less load on the back. Third thing you do is take a pillow, support your arms.
Okay.
Now your body is more stable. You're not pulling on your lower back.
That's it.
Lower back क्यों दुखती है? पुल होती है.
पुल होती है, स्ट्रेस होता है उसके ऊपर या लोड होता है ज्यादा तो.
Right. So this is something that everybody can do.
So this is a very simple tip. It's a very simple tip, guys. I think people who are watching in the audience, I say it's a very simple tip. Maybe एक ब्लैंकेट रखने से ही वो काफी इम्प्रूव हो सकता है ना. यस, एंड आई नेवर थॉट अबाउट इट. सो हम लोग इतना ही घर डिजाइन करते हैं मोहिता, एंड वी ऑलवेज आई डू लुक इनटू द मैट्रेस हार्डनेस एंड अदर स्टफ. बट यस, पुराने मैट्रेसेस के ऊपर कितना सिंपल सा तरीका है, एक ब्लैंकेट रख लो, एंड वी नेवर गिव दिस एज अ थॉट, लाइक पता ही नहीं है. इट्स वेरी नाइस. I will definitely tell this to my clients from now on. Okay.
You could also, from your design perspective, start seeing the body types of people and suggesting that while you're making the sofa, you make another cushion for them, which is a thicker density.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a
And
good
keeping
idea.
elbow supported is very good.
Okay.
लोअर बॉडी का एक पार्ट जो इम्पोर्टेंट है उसे सपोर्ट करके रखिए, एक एल्बो. तो नेक पेन और शोल्डर पेन नहीं होता लैपटॉप वर्क में.
Okay. क्योंकि अक्सर ये होता है ना. सो मुझे तो ये जैसे मेरे को भी बहुत बार होता है व्हेन आई एम इनटू कपल ऑफ मीटिंग्स, और या मैं बैक टू बैक मीटिंग्स में होता हूँ या बहुत लोगों के साथ होता होगा, मैं जब आता हूँ घर और मेरे को ये पूरा पेन कर रहा होता है. तो समटाइम्स ये पूरा कंधा बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड होता है, आई वुड से बड़ा स्टिफ होता है. पता नहीं, वो बहुत बार होता है मेरे साथ. व्हेन आई एम
हाँ, तो इसमें 2-3 चीजें हैं. पहली चीज है कि आपकी नेक कितनी फॉरवर्ड रह रही है.
ओके.
नेक फॉरवर्ड तब रहती है जब हम सिट बोन पे नहीं बैठते,
ओके.
क्योंकि वो जैसे बिल्डिंग की अलाइनमेंट आउट हो जाती है ना, उसी तरह से बॉडी की अलाइनमेंट आउट हो जाती है.
Okay.
I want to show you something here very quickly again. Can I screen share for a second?
Yeah, please.
I want to show you body alignment.
आप शेयर करो स्क्रीन.
Okay. So these are the steps to sitting better. If you want, we can always share them later on.
हाँ, वैसे आप स्क्रीन शेयर करो. शेयर स्क्रीन.
I didn't share. Wait a second. All right.
अभी आए.
Is it there?
Yeah, this is it. You can see your screen.
All right. This is something everybody should know. This is called stacking. Very simple way of understanding how our body is aligned. Think of how these stones are aligned. The base is stable. Is it not?
Yes.
That's the first thing. So your pelvis, which is where you most stability takes place in your body, keep that stable. Sit on your sit bones, guys.
Okay.
Keep your lower back supported. Use your legs when you sit. Keep your feet flat on the ground. Don't cross your legs. Right?
Okay.
Breathe efficiently. Breathing is very, very important. Think of your body stacked up like this, like these blocks.
Right.
If we don't stack up well, we develop muscular imbalances like this. Can you see this?
Yes, I can. Yeah.
And if you
red वाला क्या है? What is this red वाला? What is this red?
ये right में.
हाँ.
So body should be stacked neatly like this.
Okay.
The lower block, ये pelvis है आपका stable.
Okay.
Shoulders दोनों equal line में. You can check this also, guys. एक shoulder ऊपर है आपका, एक shoulder नीचे है, means you are misaligned.
Okay.
Find somebody to help you. right?
Okay.
That's the all our physios. We have these wonderful physios around and doctors. They are always trying to help us. But if we don't know what we can also do to help them to help us better,
Correct.
right? So
Yeah.
if we learn a little bit about our bodies, we can all be much more healthier and stronger. तो ये अलाइनमेंट आपकी आउट नहीं होनी चाहिए बॉडी की, उसके लिए स्टैकिंग इज अ वेरी गुड थॉट, वेरी इजी थॉट.
इजी थॉट एब्सोल्युटली. अगर हम ये लोग ये कॉन्शियस में रखेंगे मोहिता, तो मुझे लगता है वैसे भी हो जाएगा, बिकॉज व्हेन वी कीप दिस इन आवर कॉन्शियस दैट आवर बॉडी हैज टू बी स्टैक, सो वी विल कीप दैट आवरसेल्फ, लाइक हम बेंड ही नहीं करेंगे आगे को, या पीछे बेंड नहीं करेंगे, या शोल्डर्स ऊपर नीचे नहीं करेंगे, मे बी दैट वे
इतना
ना.
आसान नहीं होता है क्योंकि हमारी मसल्स से एक मेमोरी डेवलप हो जाती है
ओके.
और वो मेमोरी हमारी माइंड से, हमारी ब्रेन से कमांडेड होती है. सो हमारे सोमैटिक्स में हम ब्रेन पे काम करते हैं. वी ट्राई टू टेक यू बैक टू द वे यू वर एज अ चाइल्ड विद स्लो जेंटल मूवमेंट. एंड सो दिस इज हाउ द बॉडी शुड बी अलाइंड. आपका ईयर, शोल्डर, एल्बो, वन स्ट्रेट लाइन.
ओके.
पर
पर ये
हम
तो
लोग
बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. ये हो सकता है, ये एवरीडे हम कर सकते हैं इसको ऐसा?
ये यू I'll be very honest, all of us can't really be here, right?
ओके.
But we can do our best and we
Okay.
can learn, है ना?
That's good. I mean, that's a very good thought. At least we can try. We can try in that position, basically. Perfect. Okay. So ये मैंने already, मुझे लगता है आपने आंसर कर दिया, but this was a question I really want to ask. कि will body posture impact our thinking? मतलब क्या जो भी हम कर रहे हैं वो हमारी थिंकिंग या थॉट्स को इम्पैक्ट करता है क्या?
बिल्कुल करता है. जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा कि आप जब स्लाउच करते हैं तो आपका स्ट्रेस रिस्पॉन्स ट्रिगर होता है. स्ट्रेस रिस्पॉन्स जब ट्रिगर होता है तो हमारी बॉडी में स्ट्रेस के हार्मोन सीक्रेट होते हैं. तो आपका ब्रेन जो है, ब्रेन गेट्स ओवर एंशियस.
Okay.
सो यू मेक गुड डिसीजंस व्हेन योर माइंड इज काम. फटीक
Correct.
जल्दी होगा, एंजाइटी जल्दी होती है. ब्रेन की एक मेम्ब्रेन भी होती है जो वो ओवर अ पीरियड वियर ऑफ कर जाती है if you're constantly getting stress chemicals in your brain.
Okay.
So it does. आपने देखा है वो it's a very famous quote that a balanced body depicts a balanced mind.
Yes. Yes. I've
Right?
heard that. Yeah.
So the most important thing is breathing. The most important movement in the human body is breathing. It will calm your mind.
Correct.
Right?
तो
And इसका एक
मुझे लगता है मोहिता, ये ना अक्सर सारे लाइफ कोचेस जब भी मैं किसी से भी बात करता हूँ तो पहला थॉट इज ब्रीदिंग. वो कहते हैं कुछ मत करो, ब्रीदिंग ढंग से करो, अपने आप सब चीजें ठीक हो जाएंगी. तो वही मुझे कनेक्ट कर रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा.
ब्रीदिंग में इसलिए क्योंकि ब्रीदिंग से केमिकल फ्रॉम, अगेन एज आई सेड, कॉर्टिसोल ज्यादा रिलीज होगा. यू वांट मोर सेरोटोनिन. You want the intuitive parts of your brain to be activated, where you start thinking creatively.
Correct.
Out of the box thinking होने लग जाती है. स्ट्रेस में आप कभी आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग नहीं करेंगे.
हाँ, और हो भी नहीं पाता.
हाँ. तो शशांक, ब्रीदिंग का एक छोटा सा क्यू है.
करें.
तो एक छोटा सा क्यू. So basically there are just 3 steps which everybody can follow. The first step is always noticing, keeping one hand on your chest and your stomach.
Okay.
And as you inhale and you exhale, notice if your body is getting taller. Are you going towards the ceiling or are you going towards the wall? That is one question you can ask yourself. Second question you can ask is, which hand is moving more? Is my upper hand moving more or my lower hand moving more?
Okay.
So just close your eyes. And which hand is moving more for you, Shashank?
मेरा ऊपर वाला.
You're going towards the ceiling also. I think all of us can notice that. Now, this is called vertical breathing, and this is what will create stress. So, Shashank, you're breathing wrong. Okay? So, we all have to remember that you have to go back to being babies,
Okay.
like children. So, inhale, so your stomach comes out,
Okay.
and exhale, so your stomach goes in.
Okay.
Inhale, so first sit straight, but not too straight. Sit on your sit bones, but be relaxed. Good posture is all at being relaxed.
Okay.
And actually being relaxed in the mind is very important. So be relaxed in both places.
Okay.
Inhale, so your stomach comes out, and exhale, so your stomach goes in. That is step 1. Inhale again, so your stomach goes out, and as you exhale, allow your navel to travel towards your spine, gently, without forcing anything. And then come to the second inquiry of breathing. Keep your eyes closed, continue breathing, and then ask of yourself, do I inhale longer or do I exhale longer? How do I breathe? Do I inhale longer or do I exhale longer? And now Shashank has gone to still inhaling longer. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you're inhaling longer, guys, start exhaling longer. And don't force it. Invite yourself again and again. It's an invitation. So these somatic studies are designed by many great teachers and many great doctors. So it starts with a thought. So invite yourself to exhale longer. Think of the times when you're relaxed. You'll always do, right? You exhale longer when you're relaxed.
Correct.
Yeah. That is step 2. And step 3 for everyone to notice is there is always this little gap between the inhale and before you exhale. Pause. Find that pause. If you can find that pause, just observe that pause. Don't hold your breath there. Just observe that pause. It's very precious. It's very quiet. It's a very creative place. And this is how you were breathing as a baby. If you see any baby sleeping, इसका पेट ऊपर नीचे हो रहा हो.
Yes.
उसकी छाती ऊपर नीचे नहीं होती कभी.
तो ये हमें ध्यान रखना है हमेशा, मतलब पेट के बारे में ध्यान रखना है हमेशा ना, कि पेट के ऊपर फोकस होना चाहिए वाइल ब्रीथिंग से.
वो जो आप पेट के ऊपर फोकस कर रहे हैं वो एक्चुअली आपका डायफ्राम मूव कर रहा है.
ओके ओके.
और डायफ्राम की मूवमेंट इसीलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है शशांक, क्योंकि उस डायफ्राम के थ्रू आपकी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट नर्व ट्रैवल करती है.
ओके.
जब वो नर्व आपकी रिलैक्स होती है, आप रिलैक्स होते हैं. द वेगस नर्व इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट नर्व, एंड अभी आप कहते हैं घबराहट में मेरे पेट में गुटर पुटर हो रहा है.
करेक्ट
है ना? आई हैव बटरफ्लाइज इन माय स्टमक.
यस.
So everything is interrelated, every movement of thought and mind.
That's good. So I mean, so many things are connected to our body, our mind, a lot of things. मतलब हम कुछ भी करते हैं तो मुझे लगता है मुझे connected है, is it?
Everything is connected. All dots.
Wow, this is so great. I mean, this is such an amazing thought you are giving us all, and we are so thankful कि आप आ गए और आपने हमें बता दिया. नहीं तो पता ही नहीं लगता. Most of the people don't know about it.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah. So the next question is, there's so much happening in the wellness and the life coaching space. So I don't know whether your industry is into wellness or life coaching or therapy, but how do we identify which one to choose, or who's the right coach, or maybe what kind of treatment I should be going in? So ये बहुत बड़ा confusion है. मुझे तो है, तो मुझे लगता है लोगों को भी होगा.
एक वर्ड होता है जो लाइफ कोचेस बहुत यूज करते हैं. वी आर ऑफ कोर्स इन द फील्ड ऑफ वेलनेस, बट इट्स अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. वी वर्क बोथ ऑन फिजिकल एंड मेंटल हेल्थ. सो इसका नाम होता है रेजोनेंस.
Okay.
रेजोनेंस क्या होती है?
I mean synergy. So basically, you're synergizing with that same person. Yeah.
So whatever works for you, whichever coach works for you, whichever makes you feel like you want to do what you need to do, that's the right coach for you. I feel that, honestly. You will know if you just pay attention.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So मैं ना गट से चलता हूँ कई बार. ये जो कहते हैं ना, दिमाग में छोटी वाली आवाज पीछे से टक 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 आ रही होती है. And somehow whenever I go to anybody, and that's how I do my business also, Mohita. That's a secret, guys. I'm telling you. I go with my gut, and I strongly believe in it, and I'm very confident about it. तो वो मैं पीछे वाली आवाज से चलता हूँ Mohita. तो मुझे लगता है जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ ना, और मुझे वो कनेक्शन फील होगा, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे को पीछे से हिट करने लगेगा.
आपने जो बात कही है ये बहुत खूबसूरत है guys. Shashank does not know, but anybody in the field of psychology like us will know what Shashank has just said. Shashank,
Okay.
you are using your second brain.
Okay.
That is your gut brain,
Okay.
right? And that gut instinct, जिसको आप कहते हैं या gut brain कहते हैं, it's a very powerful way of living.
Okay.
This is the body embodied wisdom. This is what we teach actually. Listen to your bodies. Posture is a very small part of what we do actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
पता नहीं था मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे सेशंस करने पड़ेंगे महिता आपके साथ.
Your gut is your second brain. Your pelvis is a brain. Your feet it has feelings.
Wow. Such a
So do
beautiful
use
song.
your gut. Do use your gut. और अभी आप सेशन से पहले मुझे यही कह रहे थे कि शशांक ने मुझसे बात करी and immediately it just happened. You said you thought
Yeah.
this session will happen 2 to 3 months later.
Months back, yeah, absolutely.
And we both followed our gut instinct.
Yes, we both followed.
So
And I
please
mean
follow your gut instinct when you find a coach, doctor, husband, girlfriend, whoever.
interior designer.
Interior designer.
If you're looking to hire an interior designer, follow your gut. Meet us. Come to our office.
And if you do that as an interior designer, I think that's the best part. Because then you are really feeling another person.
Yes.
If an interior designer
do
can do
that.
that.
And I always do that. मैं अभी मैं इस सेशन के बाद में आपसे बात करूंगा. And yesterday something amazing happened, and I really liked it. And the person came to my office and he said that to me, and I was so happy. I felt all of my hard work is coming into existence now. So.
But you are very passionate. From being an engineer to being an interior designer, you must have extreme passion to do this.
Yes. And I faced a lot of challenges. I faced a lot of hits and bars. I faced a lot of no-nos because I was doing pretty well in London. I was moving to Australia. बहुत अच्छा कर रहा था. पर चलो उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. अभी आपका सेशन है. It's not mine. So let's
Don't
talk
like this.
about it.
I think it's more for the viewers.
It's more for the viewers.
The more you give, the more you get.
Yeah. It's more for the viewers. And idea of bringing it is कि लोगों को different taste पता लग सके. एंड लोग सिर्फ इंटीरियर्स को ना मिलता है इंटीरियर्स की तरह सोचते हैं. वो सोचते हैं कि बस कलर्स को मैप कर दिया, फर्नीचर को मैप कर दिया, वार्डरोब किचन बना दिया, एवरीथिंग इज डन. एंड आई फील द अपोजिट. मुझे लगता है वो तो बहुत छोटा सा पार्ट है, मे बी 30-40%. रेस्ट 50% इज योर एनर्जी, योर ट्रांजैक्शन, योर फीलिंग्स टुवर्ड्स दैट होम, योर इमोशनल स्टेट्स बिटवीन पीपल.
Yeah. What you just said, na, the interconnectedness.
Yeah.
So we are all matter, and because we are matter, the space around us is also matter. So what is the vibration? What is the resonance we have? Yeah. Are we congruent to the place around us? That is what is interiors, don't you think so?
Yes, absolutely. It is. So abhi last session was with Dr. Ramon. You know Ramon, right? So Ramon was specifically talking about it. तो हमने काफी देर मैटर, एटम, मॉलिक्यूल्स और इम्पैक्ट के ऊपर बात करी, एनर्जी वाइब्रेशंस के ऊपर बात करी. एंड इट वाज रियली वंडरफुल. द कांसेप्ट शी टोल्ड मी वाज लाइक आई हैव नेवर थॉट अबाउट इट. सो बीइंग अ डिजाइनर it was happening intuitively, अपने आप हो रहा था, but now I know why it is happening. So बहुत अच्छा था. Okay, so my next question is for the viewers basically. So what piece of advice would you like to offer to our viewers to help them being in the balanced state of mind, posture, and whatever you feel like उनको क्या करना चाहिए?
I think the most important thing is to develop self-awareness. How you carry your body, and I'm saying carry. I don't mean posture as an external output, you know. How you carry your body is an expression of your emotional geography. If you're stressed, your muscles will be stressed.
Okay.
So learn to be calm here and allow this to be calm. Or if you feel this is not calm, allow this to be calm. Move enough. You know, there is this very famous acronym आजकल होता है, शशांक, subsequent people are sending in WhatsApp. I see that एक इंसान को खुश रहने के लिए क्या 4 केमिकल्स चाहिए, ब्रेन को कौन से 4 केमिकल्स रिलीज करने चाहिए. हैव यू सीन दैट व्हाट्सएप पोस्ट दैट गोज अराउंड?
No.
Okay. So there are many, there's a whole neurochemistry of our body, but 4 chemicals people are talking a lot about, and let me just bring that up. So it's called, you remember the acronym of dose. What is the happiness dose that you want? So how do you spell dose?
DOES? No, DOS.
DOSE.
DOS. DOS. Those.
Huh.
Those,
So
those, that those. DOSE.
dose.
Yeah, yeah.
So D stands for one chemical, which is the dopamine, which is the achievement chemical. When we do something, we feel happy. So guys, have a routine. Have a routine and allow yourself to stay true to that routine without forcing yourself. Have time to daydream. You have important tasks. You feel you don't want to do them. Make a pre-routine, make a bridge-in routine, which means आप बैठे हैं, आपको कोई बहुत important task करना है, document तैयार करना है, take a cup of coffee, sit down, inhale that coffee, use all your senses. How does it feel? And then just be there. जिसको हम लोग अपनी subject में movement therapy में कहते हैं get into the flow.
Okay.
Stay in the flow. So just sitting there, having a pre-routine before a very difficult routine always helps.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one thing. Then you get a task done, you'll feel you've achieved something. Spending time with people you love, hugging them, touching them. That's the second chemical, O, the oxytocin part.
Okay.
When you hug your child, when you hug somebody, even if you're living alone, you have a pet.
Okay.
If you don't even have a pet, तो बाहर जाके जो stray dogs होते हैं, उनके साथ you can exchange affection. They're really affectionate,
I know.
Yeah. And then S stands for serotonin. You get serotonin when you breathe, when you meditate, when you relax, when you sleep well.
Okay.
And E stands for endorphins. Move. Endorphins you get when you move.
Okay.
So dance, sing. Singing is a wonderful, wonderful activity to relax yourself because your breathing gets regulated.
Correct.
तो आपने देखा होगा कि मदर्स किचन में गाने गा रही होती हैं.
Correct.
It's a self-regulatory mechanism. Your body has a beautiful way of regulating. So apart from posture, you have to think of it in a very holistic way.
Oh yes, it is not just posture basically. It is the entire, as you said, आपने बोला था, it is the entire circle which is interconnected. सब कुछ.
So if you remember these 4 things, the acronym of DOSE, that your body and your mind need, and again body and mind, it's not just one thing.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Wonderful. I think that was great, Mohita. And now let's take some questions. There are so many people waiting. So guys, if you have any questions, please post them here. और जो already लोगों ने कर दिए, I'll just take them one by one. Okay. So one question is from Shweta, and she said, during the COVID, most of people are working from home, and how do we move around? How do we, do stuff at home about movement?
How do you move around at home?
Yeah.
Right. So if you're just not going out and you have enough space, one great way of movement is of course dance. Dance with your kids, dance with your family. Yes. And it's a family activity. If you have a park close by, it's not a very big park, right? You can go for a walk. A wonderful way to keep healthy is to walk backwards.
Okay, walk backwards.
Yeah. So walking backward is an activity for the brain. It's called neurobics, right? It brings attention. Suddenly you're doing something that you're not used to doing. It refreshes the brain, right? Of course, you have to make sure that aap gir na jaye.
Correct.
To be careful, right? Walking in figures of 8 is a very good activity for the brain and the body. I think all of us have enough place. It's called the infinity walk. Please walk in figures of 8. Refresh your brain. Refresh your brain, right? I think one of the simplest ways to work out is mat exercises. I myself do a lot of mat exercises. They don't require any place. जो लोग जिम नहीं जा सकते हैं, there are excellent videos on Animal Flow. Animal Flow is a form of a movement exercise using just your body weight and how we moved as when we were in primitive world. Fantastic workout.
Okay.
You can really do that. Yeah, if you don't have pain. Yeah,
Okay.
animal flow is there's some very good. There's this one gentleman जिसको मैं देखती हूँ कभी often. His YouTube channel is called Minus the Gym,
Okay.
and I really like that gentleman. He's really good.
Very nice. तो बस अब तो उसके
Does
काफी
that
सारे
answer
व्यूअर्स
her
हो गए.
question?
Yes, yes, that
Of
is.
course, yoga is there. Yoga is always there.
Yes, you're right.
Hmm.
So now one question from Dhriti. She says, I am an architectural student and doing my thesis on this topic. So
Hmm.
what can I learn from it? I mean, how do I go deep into it?
Into what?
Into the same movement topic. So she's an architecture student. I believe architecture में तो movement नहीं पढ़ाते, but maybe she is doing some thesis around it. So उसके बारे में और कैसे पढ़ सकते हैं?
So I'm not too sure if she talking of movement or is she calling of monument.
Movement, I think. So मुझे लग रहा है शायद वही बात कर रही होगी, because
Hmm.
monument तो definitely अलग है. तो movement के
So
बारे
yes,
में और कैसे पढ़ सकते
I'm not too sure if this will answer your question. What's the questioner's name once more?
हैं? धृति गुप्ता.
Dhriti Gupta. I'm not too sure what you're asking, my dear. But if a place is designed for a human being, humans are designed to move. So we need to create a space where there is, you study that in design, don't you? That your movement area should be very clear from
Yeah.
your door to your balcony, right? Having efficiency triangles in the kitchen,
Yes.
right?
Golden triangle.
Right?
It's very famous.
Yeah. How do we move so that how do we create a space so that we don't have to unnecessarily exert ourselves, right?
Yeah.
That's another thing. Sunshine, that's a part of your movement. Why? Because your body needs sunshine. Do you study the way human body remains in homeostasis? Homeostasis is that state of the human body where it is in optimal growth, which is called rest and digest. Create your interiors so that the human body can remain in homeostasis. This is a very
Wonderful.
interesting question. I'd love to meet you, Diti Gupta.
Wonderful. So Dhiti, now you have an invitation from Moita. You can definitely visit her studio in Noida. Cool.
I'd
So
love to
one
take this conversation forward. Yeah.
perfect. So one question is from Richa, and I think she's from USA. Thank you, Richa, for
Mhm.
joining in from America. So she says, please talk about beds and the posture on the beds. We have memory foam, and I have a history of back issues. Let me just put it on the screen as well.
Yeah. Beds. Yes. You have a low back pain, Richa, or a neck shoulder pain?
I need to check maybe the low back pain. So Richa, okay. So she says, please talk about the type of matrices available out of India for back troubles. I think she has some lower back pain.
Low back pain. So the question that I'd like to ask Richa is that is your back pain better when you get up in the morning? If your back pain is better when you get up in the morning, that means your sleeping posture or your mattress is not the problem. Okay? The problem, you need to see the time when the back pain is more. Is it when you're bending? Is it when you're sitting in the bed? Do you work a lot from the bed? If you work a lot from the bed, then please follow what I just shared, as in keeping the lower back supported, making sure your belt region, and I'm going to lower my camera here
Okay,
and show this. So this is your belt region, right?
correct.
And then I have YouTube videos on this, guys. So you can go to
Okay.
Movement Matters Studio videos and see them.
So
How do I
guys,
show this?
you should always, if you have anything,
I think this
any
is
issues
visible,
like that,
right?
yeah, it is visible. So go to Movement Matters YouTube channel, and Mohita is doing some
Movement
amazing
Matters
videos on
Studio.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is now Richard, see this. If this is your belt and this is your knee, make sure when you're sitting on your gada, your back is not like this and your knee is not coming up.
Oh, okay.
This this is tailbone, this is sit bone. I'm saying it again. यहाँ सबके bone होती है. This is called the iliac crest. It is the top of your pelvis. Very important portion of your body. When you sit like this, घुटना ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए. So if your hip is always higher than the knee, you are sitting on your sit bone, Richa. And there are excellent videos on sleeping postures, keeping a pillow between the knees, but making sure your pillow is from your knee down to your ankle. And these are things that I have learned from these wonderful physiotherapists who helped me because I had lost all my movement, right? And sleeping posture is unique to everybody, Richa. It'll be great if you can get on and have a chat with me about it. Making sure your neck is fully supported, keeping your shoulders off the pillow when you sleep. Everybody, so a lot of us keep our shoulders on the pillow and sleep.
Yes, yes, a lot of people do
Yeah,
that.
so your pillow should. A lot of us say कि तकिए के बिना सोना चाहिए. I'm sorry, तकिए के बिना नहीं सोना चाहिए. वो तब की बात थी when we were, sleeping on the ground and we were working in the field. Now all of us have forward shoulders because of
Oh,
our digital world. So your
okay,
pillow should be as wide as from your neck to your shoulder.
okay,
ये डिस्टेंस कवर करना चाहिए आपका पिलो. ना तो आपकी गर्दन लटकी रहे रात को, ना तो ज्यादा उठी रहे.
very
But
good.
I would still say, Richa, this is something that requires a different and a separate conversation to particularly help you.
Wonderful, no problems. Richa, I think the best way is to reach Mohita is maybe you can drop an email or contact her through her website and may book a one-to-one session if you want. Yeah, that'll be great. Thank you, Mohita. The next question is Manish says back should always be straight and supported. Is it right?
Back, Manish, should be in natural curve. Straight, as in what you call military straight, no. Never pull yourself up. Tuck yourself up. So I'm a Fauji's daughter, and for the longest time I thought कि ऐसे खड़ा होना is the best posture. Sorry, no.
Okay.
Back should be, lower back should always be supported. Always be supported. We sit a lot, right? Sitting is the new smoking now.
Correct.
Okay? So sit well. Use your legs when you sit. Distribute your body weight. इसके ऊपर भी हमारे videos हैं between your legs and your upper body. Support your elbows when you're sitting and working, and breathe well. Quit the stress. Go from what we call from FOMO to YOLO.
Okay.
We live in that hyper world, no? Deadline.
Deadline.
So
Yeah,
from
yeah,
fear of out, go to joy of letting go. Your body will relax. Your
Oh,
posture
yeah.
will.
I mean, it's such a beautiful thought. हम लोग सब लोग फोमा में हैं. Like everybody is like fear of missing out कि कुछ रह जाएगा, मैं पीछे रह जाऊंगा रेस में, मैं कुछ रह जाएगा. But actually, it is so much of joy. So I still remember रमोन को मैं फॉलो करता हूँ काफी अच्छे से. तो रमोन की वो है, what you call जिंदगी अच्छी है. एंड जब भी मैं उसको देखता हूँ तो मुझे उतना अच्छा लगता है. मुझे एक इमेंस पॉजिटिविटी भर जाती है. So similarly, joy of living in is pretty great, isn't it?
We have these weekend programs called Posture Better.
Okay.
उसमें हम 10 सेशंस लेते हैं और 10 सेशन में हम यही सिखाते हैं. Just learn what is this body all about? How is this connected?
गुड यार. मोहिता ये अगली बार जब हो रहा है तो मुझे प्लीज बुलाना. मैं तो पूरी टीम को लेके आने वाला हूँ.
We have every Saturday. We have tomorrow also. We have three batches running already. But I take only 10 people in one class. I don't take a lot because I like to pay a lot of attention to what is happening.
Wonderful. That's great. So we'll share. Can you share more about your Posture Better and maybe कैसे आपको join कर सकते हैं? So that a lot of audience people must be looking forward for it. Okay. कैसे join
Should
कर
I
सकते हैं?
share about it right now? Okay.
Yeah.
Should I didn't hear you. Yeah. So Posture Betters are, if you go to our, you will see the flyers on our Facebook page. You will see them on my LinkedIn page. Okay. And of course, you will see them on the website of movementmatters.in. That is the website.
I'll put that in the comment box also. How do you spell it?
Movementmatters.in.
Matters.in.
Yeah. Otherwise, you can also email to movementmatters.
Okay.
CMT, Calcutta, Mumbai, Trivandrum.
Okay.
@gmail.
CMT.
Calcutta, Mumbai. Calcutta, Mumbai, Trivandrum. So it's creative movement therapy, really.
Okay. @movementmatter.in.
@gmail.in.
Oh, sorry.
I'm very lazy about using that one. To be very honest, there is a movementmatters.in, but I don't use it. The team is also sick of me. So to be very honest, that is the reason
I'll get it set up for you. Don't worry.
I have
So
it set up. I don't use it only. Yeah.
okay, so one more question we'll take, and then we'll talk about something else as well. So the question is, okay, this is a pretty good question. So Manju says, how to identify if it is a gut feeling or just a feeling?
Congruence. Again, congruence, Manju. If it is a real feeling that is true to you, it will feel right. Your breath will be deeper. Understand that the minute your emotions change, your breath changes. The first unit of your life is breath. The first movement of your life is breath. The movement of in and out, that is the first movement. ये posture वॉस्टर तो बहुत बाद में आता है.
Okay.
If a feeling is a gut feeling, it means you will feel calmer. You will be breathing in what we call the diaphragmatic breathing. Your exhale will naturally be longer. Your mouth will be moist. Why will your mouth be moist? That's a physiological response to fear, to anxiety. से जब आप बोलते हैं डर के मारे मेरा मुंह सूख गया,
हाँ,
जिस
बताएं.
जिसका मुंह सूखा रहता है डेली लाइफ में, guys, please get your breathing fixed.
Okay.
So postures are impacted by a lot of stuff, not just furniture, it's a history or surgeries, बहुत चीजें होती हैं. But Manju, gut feeling feels right. Use your breath as a barometer. Use your breath as a barometer at any time.
Great, 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 great. I think that was pretty good, Maitra. So एक last question और ले लेते हैं. So this is from Areva, very nice name, Laid Black Vlogger. So is this guy? When I stand normally, I feel in comfortable position. My nose line not in center. It is slightly towards my right hand side. Is this serious?
Okay, laid back vlogger. When you stand normally, you feel comfortable position. Your nose line is not in the center, it's slightly towards the right. What is your head doing? Your nose travels with your head, right? And your
Yeah.
head is attached to your shoulders. And your shoulders are stacked on your pelvis. So it's not about your nose.
Oh.
It is about how your body is aligned. I'm pretty sure if you're feeling great, it's not serious.
So great. So Mohita, I mean, what is the key takeaway for people here?
Okay, let's do one thing, Shashank. ये जो sitting disease है ना, जिसको लोग कहते हैं आजकल बैठ बैठ के सबकी पीठ टूट गई. Let's learn how to sit better, right?
Okay.
और ये जो पूरी इसकी anatomy है, जो पूरी इसकी physiology है, उसको मैंने एक कविता में उतार दिया है.
Very good.
Do we have the time for it? First, you have to tell
Yeah,
me.
yeah, please, anytime.
Okay.
A lot
So
of time.
what I will do is I will quickly share first how we can sit better, right? And then guys, who's watching can go back and try. Again, you can try the sitting better, but I will be reciting a Hindi poem. So I don't know how many everybody's Hindi speaking here or not,
I mean,
but
we have
this one is
audience.
a Hindi.
Yeah, which is
Yeah.
okay. You can go in Hindi.
All right. So this is a Hindi poem then, and it helps to just keep some thought in the mind, some thought. And your movement always originates with a thought, guys. All the work that I do is based on a technique called somatic movement. One of the pioneers of somatic movement was Dr. Moshe Feldenkrais, an international method. Let's do this now. Shashank, have I lost you?
Perfect. No, no, no. So I'm
You're
there.
here?
I wanted you to speak in the front, in the center.
Thanks. All right. So again, shifting back to my chair.
I am
Shifting back.
gonna give you the full screen.
Yeah. So shifting back to my chair, guys. This is the chair. I was sitting here. I'm first demonstrating all the steps to sitting better. You can write them down, or in the end, I can screen share the steps, and you can take a screenshot of that. Right? The first step is always checking if your knee, and this is what every good physio will tell you. If your knee is to your height, or even a good ergonomist would tell you, Your knee should
Okay.
be to the height of the chair. As you can see, my knee is slightly higher. You can see that?
Right. You can. You can.
We take my beloved old blanket and we put it on this. I
Okay.
raise the height of the seat, right? So sit
Okay.
on a chair that is your knee height and then sit down. Don't plonk. Sit down so that your lower back is fully supported. Making sure that your hip is higher than your knee and your knee is slanting down or at least slightly lower,
Okay.
right? You can never ever damage your tailbone if you're sitting like this. The third very important point is to notice if your feet are flat on the ground. So don't sit like this for too long. Don't sit like this for too long. Don't sit like this for too long, right? Don't do this. So sometime you can. There is nothing like perfect posture in somatics.
Okay.
Somatics is about learning to use your body efficiently and it being at ease. It's not a regimented robotic method.
Okay.
So your feet should be flat on the ground, right? Back fully supported. That's your first block. Remember you're stacking. Then come to the shoulder block. If
Correct.
your shoulders are rolled over here, right? Make sure you just, I want to take the camera up now.
Okay.
So make sure you just lift your shoulders up and roll them gently back. So you just lift them up, roll them gently back. When do you know you've done it right?
Okay.
When do you know that your shoulder blade has gone back? Your arm is not supported by this part. Your arm is supported by this part of your body. That's your shoulder
Okay.
blade.
Okay.
When your shoulder blade is back home, your palm will be facing your hip. So a lot of us have palms like this, Shashank.
Right.
So our palms are actually designed to be like this. If
Okay.
you lift and gently roll, so if your hands are here, lift and gently roll, your palms should start facing your hip. You see this?
Okay. Yeah, I
I'm
can. I
going
can.
back, lift and
Yeah.
go back here. Again, remembering to go very, very slow. We follow two rules in somatics. Less is more, slow is the new fast.
Okay.
So sit well, back supported, hip higher than the knee, feet flat on the ground, and your
Okay.
knee, your ankle and should be directly below your knee. This is very important. Ankle directly below your knees.
Okay.
Lift and roll your shoulders back, making sure your chest is relaxed, not too lifted, not too dropped, right? And then take your awareness to the back of the neck. Very gently take your awareness to the back of your neck. Make the back of the neck nice and tall, which means you can think that you have a thread going up through your hair, pulling your head up gently. Don't force it, making your chin parallel to the ground. So make sure your chin is not here, neither is it too in. It's just there, floating lightly. Your chin is parallel to the ground. And
Okay.
then you check your breath. Am I breathing efficiently? So you inhale, your stomach comes out. Exhale, so your stomach goes in.
In. Yeah.
And then you take whole awareness to your face. Very important part. Guys, don't miss this. Take your whole awareness to your face. Make
Okay.
sure your jaw is relaxed. You hold anger and stress in your jaws.
Yeah.
So relax your jaw. Get a gentle smile. We look down all day, so make sure you're looking straight and forward. Your eyes are very, very important to your balance. And then with a gentle smile, once you stack yourself like this, notice how it feels. It's very important to notice how does my body feel like?
Okay.
And then remember the feeling. Noticing how it feels is very important. Just being with your body like, okay?
Okay.
अब इसको कैसे याद करेंगे? अब हम कविता सुना सकते हैं.
Oh yes. Up to now.
चलो. You
ये
have a
बहुत
chair?
सारा कुछ है. I have a chair.
You
Yeah.
have a chair, right. So shall I screen share the kavita so people can follow it also?
Yeah. Yeah. Please. Why not? That will be
Okay.
great.
हाँ, so we'll share,
ये
screen
तो
share
मैं
the
स्क्रीनशॉट लेके अपने सारे ग्रुप्स पे डालने वाला हूँ.
I don't know about that. So when I was working with a lot of these people who were very, a lot of NGOs and all, and I started realizing that how do you make people Okay, this poem is specially designed, written for the sitting disease. It's called Kissa Kursi Ka. These are the steps of efficient sitting, guys. Anybody who wants to take a screenshot, you can if you want. Please know every body is different. Every single body is different. In somatic, we don't have a word called posture. We have a word called actual, which really means how the human body is adjusting. Everybody is different. Being at ease. All right. And now
Okay.
let us go to, you were saying something?
No, no, no.
Okay. So let's do the poem now.
Okay.
Everybody get up, stand close to your chair, and I'm going to recite this poem and just follow the steps. The steps are the same as what I had described before. So if you just follow these steps, you would get there. Perhaps you would. And if you don't
Wonderful.
get there, if you don't get there, remember you should go from FOMO to JOLO. It'll happen, right? And
Yep.
now I'm beginning. किस्सा है ये कुर्सी का, किस्सा है ये कुर्सी का, बैठना बने सुखदाई, बैठने से पहले कुर्सी की परखो ऊंचाई। अब धीरे धीरे बैठे, डोंट प्लॉन्क योरसेल्फ। अब धीरे धीरे बैठे, कमर खींच के पीछे, पैरों को खूब जमा कर, पैर हो घुटने के नीचे। So make sure your feet are flat on the ground, ankles directly below your knee. अब धीरे धीरे बैठे, कमर खींच के पीछे, support your low back, पैरों को खूब जमा कर, पैर हो घुटने के नीचे। जरा गौर फरमाएं, इस बात पे दीजिए ध्यान, पैर हो घुटने के नीचे, तभी होगा कल्याण। अब गहरी सांस लेकर, टेक अ डीप रिलैक्सिंग ब्रेथ। अब गहरी सांस लेकर सिट बोन्स लीजिए ढूंढ। यू रिमेंबर द सिट बोन्स दैट यू ट्राइड टू फाइंड। अब गहरी सांस लेकर सिट बोन्स लीजिए ढूंढ। मिले तो उनसे आगे बैठे या उनके ऊपर बैठे, मिले तो उनके आगे बैठे। टांगों पे होगा जोर। There's a spelling problem here. So your legs will be sharing the load of your body. Most of us don't use our legs when we sit. मिले तो उससे आगे बैठे, टांगों पे होगा जोर। पूंछ नीचे, drop your tailbone. छाती नीचे, गर्दन जैसे मोर। गर्दन जैसे मोर पर कंधे पीछे की ओर। तो थोड़ा उन्हें उठा के, धीरे से घुमा के, अब गहरी सांस लेकर थोड़ी अंदर खींच। तो कीप योर चिन पैरेलल टू द ग्राउंड। अब गहरी सांस लेकर थोड़ी अंदर खींच। ना भनक लगी, ना पता लगा, आराम मिला, व्यायाम हुआ उठने बैठने के बीच। कुर्सी से हो गई मित्रता, बैठना बना सुखदाई। दोस्तों आप सबको बधाई हो, बधाई।
वाह जी, वेरी गुड भैया, बहुत ही जबरदस्त कविता है। मतलब ये मतलब सो ग्रेट। अभी ये तो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा रटने में, पर याद हो जाएगी, आई एम श्योर।
It's completely out of desperation, I must say, Shashank, because I was working with Poonch
Okay.
and as a part of my internship, and I realized after 10-15 sessions that the women, these wonderful women I was working with, and they had all these issues, and one of them was we were working on how they sit because वो पूरे घर पे कपड़ा छांट,
Okay.
it was just not getting resolved. उनको याद ही नहीं हो रहा था.
Okay.
Obviously, how will they remember the anatomy and the physiology?
Correct. नहीं, ये वो
Right? And I was so disturbed. I said, Mohita, what are you doing? You're wanting to share this with the common man. You know,
right.
my prayer is that let's not wait till we get dysfunctional. Let's learn to use our bodies and be more agile, be more happier. And that's when I wrote these poems. I said, how would a rural lady connect?
Yeah.
They listen to bhajan, kirtan. But from then on, I have done these sessions with the legal companies. I have done with corporates. I have done with, I don't know, schools.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, so great। और ये इतनी छोटी सी चीज है, मतलब लाइक अभी से एक छोटी सी कविता आपने बताई, एनर्जी तो आप हो ही गई, और वो फिर एक गेम बन गया ना। अभी तक वो एज अ लाइक एक्सरसाइज था, बट अब नाउ इट्स स्टार्टिंग टू बी लाइक अ गेम।
It is like a game, and that's when your brain will learn. There is science behind this. Do you know that?
Yeah, I don't know.
When you're when you so play is the highest form of research.
Okay.
I'm repeating this. Play is the highest form of research. Your brain relaxes when you're playing. The
Hmm.
premise of movement therapy is this, right? And when
Okay.
you're relaxing, you learn faster.
Feeling first. Okay.
So we do a lot of deep, intensive work in depression, in anxiety, in pain management, but we do all of it through being gentle, through being easy, being playful.
Wonderful. I mean, Mohita,
That is the
tell me.
difference. That is the difference from a physio, or you learn your somatics, you can do better
Yeah.
yoga. You learn your somatics, you're a better dancer. So that is the difference. A lot of us ask, so हमारे शशांक सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज ही लोग कहते हैं आप फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट हैं अच्छा नहीं आप so identity crisis is what a lot of us movement therapists are having.
आई नो आई नो एक तो इतना नया है ना तो एक तो इसके अंदर फिजिकल एंड माइंड दोनों इन्वॉल्व है एंड जनरली
Don't
इट
know.
डजंट हैपन दैट वे जनरली ना मैंने देखा है सब लोग अपने अपने आई मीन आई एम नॉट निगेटिंग एनीबॉडी सब अपने अपने फील्ड के एक्सपर्ट होते हैं फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट आर गुड लाइफ कोचेस आर गुड बट देयर आर वेरी फ्यू पीपल हु वुड जस्ट डूइंग इट टुगेदर और दोनों चीजें आ रही हैं सब
Yeah, it is true. It is true. I think that's why I love my work, Shashank.
Yeah, no, I'm sure I'm coming to you. ये थोड़ा COVID ठीक हो जाए, and I'm sure I'm coming to your studio and I'm gonna have those sessions myself. So, guys, I mean that's a shout, and whosoever is in Noida or Delhi NCR want to attend Mohita's program, she's doing absolutely wonderful work. I will all request you to please join her. Be there at her studio. पकड़ लो इनको छोड़ना मत ये जीवन सुधार देंगी.
Thank you so much. And I must say, I've never seen such a creative interior designer who wants to
Thank
bring
you.
in so much value to his clients.
Yeah,
People are
yeah,
all about themselves, Shashank.
yeah.
And
Thank
here you are bringing in a lot of us and bringing in so much value to your clients. I think that's a wonder. That really shows your
you. Yeah.
inner self. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I,
I want
I'm
people
an
to
interior
learn.
designer, you don't want to miss.
I know, I know, and I always sell. Paritosh ने बोला है ना कि sell yourself. I say we are one of the best companies. Please come to us, and I will make sure that your home looks nicer, and you enjoy.
Yes, I'm sure.
Thank you.
I really, really want you to also come and see our house
Hundred
and give us
percent.
great.
100%. We'll definitely make sure that happens soon. Thank you so much. So I think it's time to go. And ये
Yeah.
तो चलता रहेगा मुझे लगता है ये काफी देर लंबा कॉन्वर्सेशन है और चलता रहेगा आई विल डेफिनेटली इनवाइट यू वन मोर टाइम मोहिता we'll plan it
Great.
out the logistics and we'll do it. Thank you guys. Thank you viewers for coming in and see you. Bye bye into another episode with Conversation with Shashank. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Great conversation. Bye bye,